Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. If you've got a 6.0 Powerstroke, you know it can be a beast, but it also needs the right scan tool to keep it running smooth. Today, I'm showing you the best scan tools for your 6.0 Powerstroke. Let's dive in. First up, if you're looking for an all-in-one tool, check out the Edge Evolution CT3. This thing is a beast. It doesn't just read codes, it lets you monitor real-time data, track performance, and even tune your truck. The touchscreen is super easy to use, making it perfect for deers or pros who need quick answers. This scanner shows you everything from fuel pressure to engine temperatures, helping you catch problems before they get serious. Next up, we've got the Auto Ingenuity Enhanced Ford Scanner. This tool is a game changer for diagnosing your 6.0 Powerstroke. It reads things like ICP and Fickman codes, key for fixing issues like injector or oil pressure problems. If you're serious about troubleshooting, this one's a must. And if you want something more affordable, try the Foreskin app with an Oblink X adapter. It connects to your tablet or laptop and gives you all the advanced features you need, like power balance tests and module reprogramming, for a fraction of the cost. So what's the best? It really depends on what you need. Want a powerful all-in-one tool? Go with the Edge Evolution. For serious diagnostics, get the Auto Ingenuity. And if you want an affordable option, Forescan is perfect. That's it. Now you know which scan tools will keep your 6.0 Powerstroke in top shape. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to Weekly Tools for more tips every week. Got a favorite scan tool? Drop it in the comments. See you next time.